Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video today I'm actually doing my own nails. So as you can see, I'm doing my right hand, so I am a bit all over the place when it comes to doing my opposite hand, but I tried my best. Everything, well, most of it is in shot. I do go out a few times, but when I realise, I do come back in. So yeah, I'll just tell you what I'm doing. So as you can see, I've already done my other hand. It's not yet filed, but I'm just doing a purple glittery set, and then I'm adding some flames in. So for this little finger, I've already applied Purple Rain down at the cuticle, and then at the tip area just come in with a really thin wash of Snowdrops White, because as you can see I've covered that with a glitter. So that glitter I've used, the silver one, is called Venus, and it's a pre-mixed glitter by Glitterbels. And then the glitter I'm coming in with now, that one is called Arabian Nights. I saw this nail on a set on Instagram. I can't remember the name of the nail tech, but I'll have a look and I'll link her below. So this nail is inspired by her. So the nails, I haven't used tips today. I have sculpted them using Peacherbel Soft, I think it was. Some colours I might have to look up because I actually did this set like summertime last year and I've only just got round to editing the video. But I think that purple colour is Violet Pearl or Lavender Shimmer, it's one of them. So I'm just coming down, placing that on the nail, and then I'm going to ombre that with Purple Rain. So it is quite a long video today. I do leave quite a lot in this one for you guys. So I've got some filing in, as well as someone did ask me to leave some of that in. The brush there as well is the Glitterbels size 12. So on this nail, I do actually come in and add some flames, so I am covering up that blend a little bit. But I do add the flames off camera because they are very, very fiddly. So this middle finger, I was going to do a full nail of Purple Rain, and then I changed my mind, so I'm just feathering that down, and then I'm coming in with a little bit of Snowdrops White, and then I'm actually gonna just cover these in glitters. So the same glitters as before, so Venus over the white, and then Arabian Nights over the purple. So again on this finger I'm just doing exactly the same as the ring finger, so this one's going to be an ombre with 2 colours, and then again I'm going to add a flame over the top. So as you can see in the background off camera, like I said, I added the flames because they were really fiddly. So now just moving on to the thumb, I'm doing exactly the same as the little finger. So I'm using Purple Rain and I'm just sort of angling that a little bit to do like a swirl. So I'm going to do this first. I'm just checking both thumbs there to make sure they're both the same. So now coming in with Arabian Nights and just covering up that harsh line. So that's the design done. So now I'm just coming in with glass slippers and I am capping all the nails. Because I am doing it on my right hand, I always like to work in smaller beads. For some reason there, my camera just, I don't know what happened, it just seemed to have stopped filming. So I've shown you capping the little finger, and now I've skipped the other two and I'm showing you capping this one. I did video it all, but like I said, I don't know what happened. I don't know if I knocked it off or, but you can still see a couple of fingers being capped, which I think is enough anyway because it's quite repetitive. So now I'm filing, and I always use the metal boards from Glitterbels. I just find them a lot easier to work with and you get a better shape because obviously the files just don't bend. So I always use these, and the grit that I use 100 grit. So as you can see as well, I always rest my finger just using my thumb or my hand, as you can see there, just because of the length of the nails. I don't want to hurt myself, so always make sure to rest your finger. So I always like to start out by filing the side walls and then going over the top. I'm not actually going this fast over the top, I have sped this part up as well. So I only show you filing 2 fingers, I think this is the last one that I show. So as you could see there between the 2 fingers, the difference before and after actually filing using these metal boards, and there is quite a difference, as you could see then. So now I'm just coming in and top coating with the Glitterbels No Wipe top coat. So I'm just going to do all 5 fingers and then cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I will apply some cuticle oil. So I've left a couple of little videos at the end today and a picture as well. So I'll just leave you now and let you watch the rest of it. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. If you've got any questions or anything, just leave them below. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.